take it out of the way. Wow. 500 watts, I don't think this is don't have much battery, yeah? It wasn't charged when I got it. I have to charge it either, so, you know. Forgot about that ditch there. Oh, as soon as we get off road though, lose a bit. I was told this was folks. A little bit wet actually. I think it's summer, it's a nice day. Jesus. It's almost like it gives you a burst of power for a little bit on the control side, and then it just backs off. It's like a hard start kind of scenario. And then you get rid of the AC compressor. That's done by capacitor. See, it's actually under this grass, so it's taking it a bit easy. Oh, now this one didn't. This was all of its balls. It really has. Come on! It's going to go low battery in any second, I guarantee it. By low, I mean it was at like 50%, so that always means 10% or 25%, I don't care what anyone says. E-bike batteries, e-bike scooter batteries, whenever it says 50%, it really isn't 50%. Oh yeah, and the battery says it's got plug on, so. Yeah, it's that. The battery is dead. Fail for this thing, unlike the e-bike. I was told the battery was folding. I know it's actually folding. I didn't see this in any of Sam Pilgrim's videos or any of Blue Pilgrim's videos, but maybe it's in there. Maybe someone can tell me what happened to this. Did he say? Did you other stuff? They do need to get by me in case you want. I have an essence battery. Battery, oh we've got battery again, cool. And this one you have to push off to get it to go. I don't know how much GoPro camera with battery you've got there. Oh yes, we're in smooth territory. I already know I've been concerned it, so didn't think this wouldn't handle it as much around it. I left the seat on here thinking I could switch between the two modes, but it does get in the way. I mean, it's kind of expected. Coast, you can't take it off. Better up that, yeah, not what I had to try and help that up. Looking vivid on what looks, but it's like part of it's moving, squirrel. Part of it's moving, part of it's. Come on! That's lost its balls again. No, it's not got any power. And now he throttles throttling on the handlebars, which is always nice. Needs a bit tighter like that. Down here there's the puddles, so slow down, watch out for dog walkers. Right, that way. No, let's go this way. See how it handles the really nastiness. You can avoid that much really nastiness. That's good. It doesn't really do a lot. About as much travel as a gnat stinks. So, yeah. Did get through, it didn't just sit there and spin. Don't know if there are mountain bikers in there or not today. Have a look. Whilst I can do it with Specialised, a log is a bit much of an obstacle for this thing. So you just sort of pop it over, which I could have done, admittedly. I found the limits of it. Yeah, that's well and truly stuck in there. It's annoying if you have to kick-start it to 5 miles an hour before it does anything. No, that's going to be too deep. That's actually to get into the batteries. To get it, let's check back quickly. Ooh. Oh dear. It's a bit warm.